We're live. John,
Backwards is okay.
Matt,
Hi, I'm Matt.
School Prints by Nations Photo Lab, Pounds, Nations Photo Lab, and MVP coming to you from my office in Baltimore, Maryland. And we just got back from
Sync
Sports. You're going to have to trust me, that's what this says. Sync Sports.
You can see it. It's right there.
Sync
We've
Sports. And it was great meeting a lot of photographers.
A lot of great volume sports photographers, leagues, school, youth sports, that type of thing.
Absolutely. And we ran into our friend Scott Helberg from Viewfinder Masks.com.
AKA the man.
So we figured let's talk about Viewfinder masks because that's one of the questions we get so much from photographers as cropping related issues. And
Especially if you're just starting off.
exactly. So this seems like this is an incredible solution for photographers, especially ones that are doing high volume work. And you can see there's these masks in here, and you can go to Viewfinder masks.com to learn more. And I have Matt here, who's with our company now, but he's also a professional school portrait photographer, and he used one of these in his
I've
camera.
been masquerading as an expert for 10 years now, and no one has found me out yet, so I'm doing great. Crop masks, why they're important. If you're just starting off, you may not quite realize it because you may be coming from the portraiture world, weddings, boutique type stuff. When you get to the volume world, it is not necessarily the creative. Let me back up. The creative element you take out. You've got to work on getting through 500 kids, 600 kids, and you want every single head size to be important. If you're looking through the viewfinder, you just can't nail it. And so we put this mask in there. Kid sits down. You can get the chin, you can get the head, and you can get that consistent shot because the school, they're going to want the PSPA export for the yearbook to have consistent head sizing. The district is going to want their admin exports, the software they use to manage all the images and data for the kids year to year. They're going to want consistent head sizing. And when you go to print the product, you're going to want consistent head sizing for the 8x10s, the 5x7s across the board because it makes you look that much more professional.
Exactly, and you high volume photography and you're using other photographers, this takes a lot of the guesswork out of cropping.
Absolutely.
So you can rely on them to use
You
mask.
can put a mask in your camera. Now, instead of going into Lightroom, into whatever cropping workflow you had before, you can just skip that step. And then over a season, that saves you hours and hours of work.
Absolutely. So highly recommend the Viewfinder masks, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. 888-507-5755. When we're live, you can also ask questions live.
Absolutely.
You can email us.
Hit us up.
Yeah, hit us up. Anyway, there's a million ways to contact us on the website, schoolprints.com, nationsphotoLab.com, poundslabs.com. You can also talk to our friend and high volume photography expert, Marion Hughes.
The Mad Genius.
Marion Hughes from Pounds Lab. That's backwards, but you can pause it and figure it out, right?
Yeah, just flip it. You're good.
Flip it. And
If you're watching us, we know you've got the expertise to flip it around. Dude's a mad genius. If you want to talk daguerreotypes to the most state-of-the-art cameras and high-volume workflows, the guy's been in the industry longer than I've been alive, and he knows what he's talking about.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.
Have a great weekend.